G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing, June 15, 2023. This is the Bitcoin price update. On our weekly and daily, we're in a bearish environment at the moment, so take only short trades on the lower timeframes like the hourly. So on the weekly, you can see there the triple moving average is broken down, and likewise on the moving averages of the CCI. That's also in a downtrend, giving us this bearish signal. So take primarily bearish or short trades. On the daily, likewise, it's a bit messy here, but I keep this deliberately this way for these trend lines. That's also in a bearish momentum, and you can see here it's breached this support at 25,398, and it's now currently approaching this descending diagonal trend line, and possibly even going to rest along this ascending trend line as well in that little wedge there. So if I zoom out, you can see there the support resistance lines across those diagonals primarily. We're seeing this, you can see here it's approaching the 61%, and that sort of corresponds with these two diagonals here. So it may well rest in that. That sort of lines up with that 61%, and that'll be a key area for a potential reversal. You'll notice also the CCI is still in a decline, so there's no sign yet of a reversal according to the CCI at least. If we look at the hourly, and you can see there more closely on the hourly, where it's some massive drops, even now a couple of some serious impulsive rises to the upside, but again just a massive spike to the downside in the last few hours, and it's currently resting on there as we said. Now there's nothing more to add to that. We're just showing you here on the bullish and the bearish back tests, and again we don't use stop losses, we average down, and they work well. For those naysayers out there, stop losses only work if the price continuously rises or if it goes in your favor, but most charts of any instrument go sideways or very choppy, and that's where the stop loss fails. Anyway, since I've started using the average down approach, my trades have been a lot more profitable. So primarily trade short in this environment, and you can see there those short trades were working well, and one way to avoid the average down, like in this case here, when the price does break to the downside, if you're going long, again you're only trading short positions back here on a daily, and you can see here on the weekly likewise, and you would have traded long during that period only on the weekly in alignment with the long positions on the daily. So if you follow those rules, you should be fine. So to understand this and other trading strategies, reference the links in the below. Subscribe to my Patreon page where we also do weekly scans of stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.